Jim from Cary, North Carolina asks,
Hey Hobart, I love my grandkids, and I want to do something meaningful for their future. What's a way I can give them a financial head start without just handing them cash?
I got to tell you what, Jim, that's a fantastic question. And as grandparents, people want to do more than just give gifts that get thrown away. You want to leave a lasting impact, and we want to be part of the future in a way that actually helps them when they need it most. One of the most overlooked ways to set up a grandchild for long term success is through a process called gift of a lifetime strategy. So here's how it works. First, it creates a financial asset that grows with your kids or grandkids, something that they can use later in life for big moments like maybe buying a home or starting a business. It also helps lock in their insurability. So no matter what health issues they face in the future, they'll always have the ability to get life insurance. The third, it's a legacy they'll truly appreciate. They may not realize its value today, but years from now, they're going to look back and see that it was one of the smartest financial gifts that they ever received. All credit to you. So I want you to think about it. When they're little, we give them toys and experiences. All of it brings them joy, right? But what we're talking about now is financial foundation that gives them peace of mind for life. Now, if this idea speaks to you, it's probably worth a conversation. It's one of those things that's easy to put off, but the earlier you start, the more powerful it becomes. So drop a comment below if this is something you want to explore, or I want you to let me know what's the best financial advice you've ever given your grandkids or your grandparents ever gave you. As always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you want more smart strategies just like this one. See you next time on Hey Hobart.